Get cooking, Chef Human.
We'll start by making some breakfast. Turn on the grill and let's get frying. Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio.
I love you. Wait. There's the bacon. Is that an egg?
The plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
Yo.
Efficient forms of human food. Simply take some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender.
Crack an egg and put the eggshells in it. You take this chicken leg. This flour. Some oil. A cactus. Okay, not the cactus. And this burnt bacon I made. Oh, where's the cups? There's one. Just there we go. Anyways, where'd my drink go? I missed. There's another one. I hit him. That's a fast growing plant. And just put it in here. Oh, just the water.
Great. Now fill it up with whatever kind of ingredients you want.
Oh, am I not supposed to put some more? Now I can put it in. And a menu. Condensed food items contain... I don't even know what that says. Isn't like it. How? Coffee cup and menu soup.
A sandwich.
Okay. Bread. 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 And olive.
I'm trying to cut down on gluten, but that looks pretty sandwich.
It's just bread. How does that look like sandwich? The customer always pays. Okay, whatever. Can I grab this?
Yes, bonjour. Today I brought you a very rare steak. It is a 1984 vintage, eh? I wish to have it prepared.
You want to give me rotten meat? Okay, he has power. Oh my god, no. Okay, we're fine. Let's just get over here. What kind of green ball is on here? Another one.
Please, human, do continue. I do wish for it to be well done.
Well done. There we go. There's some finest grape juice for the master. If I take a sip. No, you don't. It's back. Am I that strong? Hey. Perfect.
Well, wait a second. Before you plate that, did you realize that was famed meat aficionado Meatbot? We'd better make sure our service is exceptional. Better slip this on the plate, too.
So, you're bribing them. Watch this. Oh. Mamma mia.
We are almost there. Combining the bread with some cheese in the microwave should fulfill all material requirements.
Microwave. It's taking too long. Bye. You gonna eat that? My sandwich is still over there. No one ate that. No one paid.
I forgot to mention, little Timmy is deadly allergic to tomatoes. Could you make a special slice? What do you want instead of sauce on your pizza, Timmy?
I want sauce. That sauce. Make me applesauce.
All right.
Okay, apple. There we go. Apple and tomato.
Oh, one more thing. Timmy is also allergic to warmth. Could you just serve the ingredients raw?
What? You want raw ingredients?
Thank you.
Wait, how is someone allergic to warmth?
Eat up, Timmy. The human made it special for you.
Uh-oh. I'm
There's tomatoes in here. I can taste it.